My name is Kevin Neary. I'm a Director of DNDLAW Solicitors. I'd like to talk to you today about insolvency and what you do when you get into financial difficulties. There are many reasons why individuals or companies get into financial difficulties, and when that happens, you need prompt advice to protect the position and give you an opportunity to deal with your creditors. This is often something that comes as a shock to individuals or to companies, and they do not appreciate the need to act promptly and to deal with things in a sensible way. There are many issues which arise in insolvency that we can help you with. These include bankruptcy. You may have got a statute of demand and don't know what to do, or you may be unable to pay your debts and might consider going bankrupt to put an end to those debts. Or you might want to consider an individual voluntary arrangement as an alternative to bankruptcy. We can advise you on this. Similarly, if you're a company, you may have received a winding up petition, or you may know that the company cannot logically pay its debts in the long term. In those circumstances, we can give you advice as to what your remedies are, how you can protect the company and its assets, and how you can try and keep your company going in the face of huge debts. It's not always possible, obviously, to avoid insolvency, and if you become insolvent, either by way of bankruptcy or if your company is wound up, in those situations we will give you advice on your rights. We can tell you what you need to do. We can give you advice as to how to get out of bankruptcy. We can deal with your bank. Often people ask for advice in insolvency as regards a relationship with a bank. They find themselves owing large shortfall liabilities in respect of properties they've bought in the boom, and they don't know what to do. Their banks are ringing them every day looking for money, and they cannot see a way out. We can give you advice on reaching a voluntary arrangement with your creditors. Such an arrangement can often avoid bankruptcy and can involve introducing third-party funds and making an informal arrangement with your bank. In many instances, banks will have already written off debts that you owe them, and they can be negotiated with if there is a solution which is in their interest as well as yours. We can do this for you, and we can help you get out of the mire of debt and bankruptcy as quickly and as simply as possible.